Set in the highly desired West Terrace neighborhood and close to Fairchild Air Force Base, our newest listing is a must-see.
Hi, I'm Ryan and this is my wife Danielle, and we are the Fowler Group. We can't wait to get you into our newest listing at 6619 South West Terrace Drive in Cheney.
The spacious and flowing floor plan offers multiple living spaces on the first level with updated flooring and tall ceilings. Enjoy the large front room with attached formal dining, currently set up as a play area. Enter into the beautifully remodeled kitchen with stainless steel appliances and pantry. The great kitchen peninsula with bar-top seating overlooks into a secondary living space with gas fireplace. A half bath and laundry room off of the garage wraps up the main floor. Upstairs you will find the spacious master ensuite offering a truly private retreat. The bay window gives great natural light and the large room easily accommodates a king bedroom set. The ensuite has double vanities, jetted tub, stand-up shower, and walk-in closet. 3 additional well-sized bedrooms and a full bath complete the upstairs. Set on almost a quarter acre, the spacious lot offers a private fenced backyard with raised garden beds and playset. Don't miss this beautiful home in Cheney.
To schedule your private showing, give us a call or reach out to us on one of our social media platforms, and feel free to share this video with your family and friends.